What is tourism? According to UNWTO, tourism compromises the activities of persons traveling to and staying in places outside their usual environment for not more than one consecutive year for business, leisure, and other purposes. Next is, what is tourism law? Tourism law may be defined as a body of rules or principles of actions which deals with the regulation, authority, relations, and obedience among members of society involved in tourist travel and accommodation. And also, tourism and hospitality are covered by tourism law.
General law are also called General Act or General Statute. It is a law that applies to everybody, that everybody has to adhere to or to follow. It is applicable throughout the entire territory subject to the power of the legislative that enacted it. For example, the constitutional law. It is a law that is applicable to all the citizens residing in a country, for example, the human rights. There are also other laws such as the criminal law, the civil law, and the common law. In the criminal law, cases such as rapes and murders, because everybody is threatened by this crime, this law is dealt with public services. In a civil law, copyrights, insurances, and of course, intellectual property rights. With the common law, the best example would be the common law marriage. For example, if you are married for more than 10 years, they have the legal rights to share their assets.
On the other hand, special law are laws that are created with the purpose of an immediate or urgent action to a specific place, things, or people. Unlike the general law, special laws is more specific as it targets a much more smaller group of individuals or smaller area. For example, the Anti-Bullying Act of 2013. It was made due to an immediate response to the discrimination that is happening in our country. This law requires all the schools to adopt an anti-bullying policy. Next is in tourism, there is the National Cultural Heritage Act of 2009, wherein it mandates the state to promote, to preserve, and to conserve all the nation's cultural heritage. It was made mainly for all the historical places or heritage sites that our country has, and for a purpose of maintaining and or developing our nation's pride.